What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at $1.03, up 1.4 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 8.83 billion, 24-hour volume 517 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, make sure to sign up. I just created a full length tutorial yesterday. You can watch it. It's linked in the description as well as pinned at the very end of the video. It's clickable at the very end of the video. Grab up to 8K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All you have to do is email me your sign-up email to Bitkit. Obviously, I receive a little commission for you signing up, but it's a win-win in my opinion. So let's hop into Matic. Just ignore the Elliott wave triangle for now. There's a couple scenarios. The first one is the 5-wave move is complete, and we pull back in either a wave 2 of a potential massive wave 3 to the upside, or if we break 0.799, then the ending diagonal can still play out where we're going to come down in the wave C of the wave 3. But if we do break $1.16 and it validates that, and you'd have to look at the wave 2 already being in. It's a bit of a shallow wave 2, but anything is possible in the crypto space. Now there is an alternative wave count. If we were to continue to just push to the upside, then what I'd look at is that this was the wave 3 right here. We ABCDE corrective triangle into a wave 4, and you're still looking to push up into wave 5 to complete the wave 1. Now if that does happen, I can give you a wave 5 target from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4, and you would target the 618 at about $1.18, which would invalidate the ending diagonal, and potentially you'd have to be looking at that wave 2 low being in. And then what we would look for is a bounce in between 0.799 and 0.88. Actually, this would move up because price has pushed to the upside, but we look for that wave 2 pullback and then potentially push up in a wave 3. As you can see, we have pushed up into a major resistance level. $1.03 is that major level we covered many times on the channel, all the way back here years ago in 2021. I've been doing crypto a few years now. So as you can see, we had resistance here, support here, support here. A lot of support in this area in between about 98 cents to about $1.05, and that's currently where we're hitting resistance, but we are just printing the bullish cross. So if we can hold the EMAs, then we can see that continuation to the upside. Taking a look at Ethereum, potentially a wave 4, but I think it's starting to look a little bit less likely, and validation point is 1779. So we may already completed the 5-wave move in the wave C. So as you can see here, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete a wave C. And then you would come down in an ending diagonal wave 5. It's starting to look less likely with this pump and breakout of the descending broadening wedge. If we simply pull back from here, then we can look at also bouncing in a wave 2. 5-wave move complete, and a wave 1, you'd pull back in a wave 2. So if we break 1244, then there's more confirmation you're going to come down in the ending diagonal wave 5. But if we do pull back from here, we bounce from this yellow box, then higher potential, you are going to see that continuation to the upside. And basically what you're looking at here is that this was a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback, and you're going to push up in a wave 3. All right, gang. Now, if we do just continue to the upside from here in the short term, then what you'd have to be looking at, I'd probably have to do a recount, but this could be the wave 3, this is a wave 4, and then you would still push up in the wave 5. Just watch these divergences. We're pushing up and we're losing strength, and money is flowing out, which can be early signals of pullback. We'll have to see how it plays out. So that's basically it for this little Matic update. As I mentioned, if we were to just break out from here, then we still need to put in the wave 5. And the other scenario is that this 5-wave move, let me see if I can grab it here, is already complete. 3, 4, 5. And you're either going to pull back in that wave 2, but if you do break 0.799, then you can still come down in the wave C of the ending diagonal. Hopefully it all makes sense. You do have to spend some time learning Elliott wave to understand this stuff, but there's some incredible tutorials here on YouTube that can teach you everything you need to know. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to Bitkit. This is where I'm doing the majority of my trading here in Bybit, but right now mostly on Bitkit. Email me your sign up email. You can watch my full length tutorial. And I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. The member profits, they like to post their profits from their trades in here. 521%, 30x leverage. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. It's the price of a Netflix subscription. You really can't beat it. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.